Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Cozy outdoor living area in a tropical setting featuring a spacious wooden deck adorned with a large, low-profile sofa upholstered in warm orange fabric, complemented by cream-colored cushions. The area is framed by lush greenery and tropical plants, enhancing the natural ambience. A rustic wooden coffee table sits in the center, accompanied by a small black vase. The structure includes a bamboo overhang with soft, glowing pendant lights hanging down, casting a warm light throughout the scene. A serene tropical retreat nestled within a lush, dense forest, featuring a modern eco-friendly house with a thatched roof. The structure is made of natural materials, blending harmoniously with the surroundings. Large glass windows open to a tranquil swimming pool reflecting the greenery, while wooden decks invite relaxation. Inside, the decor is minimalistic yet warm, with soft lighting from woven pendant lamps, earthy tones, and organic textures. Surrounding the home are vibrant green foliage, palm trees, and scattered stones, creating an immersive natural atmosphere. A contemporary two-story jungle home designed with large glass windows and an open structure, surrounded by lush tropical greenery. The ground level features a modern kitchen with natural wood accents, a cozy dining area, and a spacious living room filled with plants. The upper level has a bedroom that overlooks the forest, adorned with various indoor plants and warm lighting. The exterior showcases a wooden deck with two lounge chairs, set upon a stone pathway leading through vibrant foliage. The scene is imbued with a serene, tranquil atmosphere, with soft sunlight filtering through the trees, casting gentle shadows. A serene and intimate outdoor scene at dusk, depicting a modern wooden house with large glass windows showcasing a cozy interior adorned with warm lighting. The setting features a tranquil garden with lush greenery, including tropical plants and bamboo fencing providing privacy. A wooden walkway leads to a small, tranquil pond, surrounded by smooth stones and soft lighting reflecting off the water's surface. The color palette includes rich earthy tones, greens, and soft golden lights, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Cozy tropical retreat overlooking lush jungle, featuring a spacious, open-air design with natural materials. The setting includes a wooden structure with a thatched roof, surrounded by vibrant greenery and hints of mist in the background. A plush, orange sofa adorned with colorful cushions invites relaxation beside a rustic wooden coffee table. Textured woven mats cover the floor, enhancing the earthy aesthetic. Natural light filters through large glass panels, illuminating the interior space that includes elegant bamboo accents and warm lighting fixtures. A serene indoor lounge area featuring natural materials and abundant greenery, designed in a hyperrealistic style. Large floor-to-ceiling windows allow bright, dappled sunlight to flood the space, illuminating the lush tropical plants surrounding the room. The furniture consists of comfortable rattan sofas with soft, beige cushions and woven textures, arranged around a central, round coffee table made of woven fibers. A textured area rug in neutral tones anchors the seating area. Stylish pendant lights hang above, made of natural materials, casting gentle shadows. A cozy, tropical outdoor living space featuring bamboo furniture arranged on a wooden deck. The scene is bathed in soft, natural light, highlighting lush greenery and vibrant colorful plants surrounding the area. The cushions are deep blue, providing a contrast to the warm, natural tones of the bamboo and wooden elements. A handcrafted wicker coffee table sits in the center, topped with a small potted plant, creating a focal point. Overhead, woven lanterns hang from a thatched roof, casting gentle shadows and adding a rustic charm. Cozy interior of a modern living room with a large window showcasing a lush green forest. The design focuses on natural materials, featuring a textured stone wall and organic wooden elements. Soft, earth-toned cushions and round poufs create a relaxed atmosphere. Woven rattan pendant lights hang from the ceiling, casting warm, ambient light. Abundant indoor plants in various sizes complement the space, enhancing the organic feel. A serene outdoor living space seamlessly connected to nature, featuring two elegantly curved rattan sofas adorned with plush gray cushions, set against a backdrop of lush greenery. The scene is framed by a wooden structure with exposed beams, allowing natural light to fill the area. A braided jute rug anchors the space, complementing the earthy tones of the wooden flooring. In the center, round wicker ottomans offer casual seating, while a large straw hat rests atop one. A serene indoor lounge with large glass windows overlooking a lush tropical landscape, capturing a tranquil evening atmosphere. The scene features two plush white sofas adorned with vibrant orange cushions, positioned around a soft, round beige pouf on a textured brown rug. Rich greenery fills the space, with large leafy plants and colorful tropical flowers in terracotta pots creating a harmonious connection to nature. Warm sunlight filters through the open windows, casting a golden glow across the room, highlighting the natural textures of the furnishings. A serene tropical retreat featuring a modern open-air design, surrounded by lush greenery and towering palms. The setting showcases a tranquil courtyard with a stone pathway leading to cozy seating areas, illuminated by softly glowing lanterns. The architecture consists of sleek, dark wood and large glass windows, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor spaces. Warm golden tones from the interior lighting create a welcoming ambience, while rich green foliage enhances the natural feel.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.